Hey, how are you guys doing? And welcome to Cooking in the Cave. I'm Chef Jarvis.
And I'm Chef Jimmy. And today we're gonna be making a brownie in a mug.
Now this is probably one of my favorite things to do because you can take this base recipe and you can add whatever you want to it, candies and nuts and all kind of fun things. So we're gonna get started.
So first off, you wanna get you 2 tablespoons of butter, melted. And then we'll add in a 1/4 cup of flour. And we'll get that mixing in. And then as we're mixing that in, we're gonna go ahead and add in about 3 tablespoons of sugar. Oh, a little sugar never hurt. All right, and it's gotta be chocolatey, so you gotta have a little bit of cocoa powder. We're gonna also add in a little bit of vanilla flavoring. And this is optional, but I like to add just a little bit of cinnamon. It brings in that extra flavor that everyone looks for. Once you get your mixture looking a little bit more like sand, go ahead and add in your milk. It's about 3 tablespoons of milk. And get that mixed in. And it's gonna be pretty thick. That's okay.
All right, so after you get everything mixed up extremely well, now it is time to go into your mugs. And I'm actually going to fill the mugs up no more than halfway full. All right, so after you get them full, one trick to help level them out is just to give it a little tap on your table. And that'll help within the cooking process to make sure everything cooks evenly. And now you just pop them in your microwave.
We're gonna pop them in the microwave for about a minute, minute and a half, and we should be good to go.
And now that it's done, if you want a fudge type brownie, you do it for a minute. A cake, a minute and a half. You'll let it sit for about 4 minutes.
So now we just gotta get it plated up. We're gonna take a little bit of that cinnamon we had left over, go right across the bottom of the plate.
We'll then take our brownies and then a scoop of some nice vanilla bean ice cream. Then just because I like cinnamon, we'll do a little bit more cinnamon across the top. And there you have your brownie in the cup.
And now, the best part, get to try it.
This looks amazing. Nice, rich, fudging. Now that's eating good food.